Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at my best earning app of 2022. So I'm going to run through one of the best apps that I've been using to earn cash online. And also stay tuned right to the very end of this video as well, because I'll also be sharing with you another opportunity of which you can actually go and earn even more money and build into a actual full-time income if you're interested in that as well. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end for that as well. Now, obviously, if you are using apps as well to earn money, and it's obviously different to the one I'm just about to show you, then make sure you share it in the comments below here. Be great to obviously have that information so we can obviously share it with the community and obviously give them alternatives that they may want to actually go and use to earn some extra cash online. Obviously, I will share a link in the description and in the pinned comment, a link to this particular app where you can actually go and get 100 bonus coins just for signing up. And there's loads of other ways that I'm going to obviously show you how you can earn, how you can actually withdraw, how easy it's to withdraw, and also how it goes straight into your PayPal account. So without further ado, let's jump across to the desktop. We're going to go through it on the desktop, even though it is a mobile app and I use it on my phone generally. But for the purpose of this video, it's going to be a lot easier to show it to you on their website because obviously it's going to fill the whole screen and we can actually dive into certain areas a lot easier. So let's go and find out exactly what my best earning app is for 2022 so you can actually grab it and start earning money as well. First of all, let's dive into the app that's been giving me, like I say, between $150, maybe sometimes $200 every single month. Okay, and that app is a free cash. Okay, now I know a lot of my subscribers have obviously actually downloaded the app and actually started using this. If you have and you have started using free cash and you're getting good results with free cash, obviously let us know in the comments below. If you haven't heard of free cash at all, then again use the link in the description below to go and download. Like I say, you will get a bonus of 100 coins to start with, and obviously I'm going to run through everything now, so this will show you where you can actually go and earn the cash very easily every single month. Okay, so from here then, let's just kind of have a quick run through. As you can see in the top left right hand corner here, I've actually got 61,500 coins. So we're going to show you how you can actually go and withdraw that very shortly. Now, to earn the cash, you just click on the earn button here. So this then takes you to the featured offers and the offer walls. Now, a lot of these offers, this may vary obviously from country to country. Now, free cash is what I would call a worldwide. It's in most countries of the world, not every country, but it is in most countries. But of course, these featured offers, certainly with some of the offer walls, will vary between country and country. So they may be better in your country or they may be not as good. So you may not be able to earn as much. But like I say, in the UK where I'm based, I'm getting about anywhere between 100, 150, sometimes $200 a month out of free cash. So as you can see here, the frequent offers, featured offers here, give you various different offers you can do. This one gives you $12. This one gives you $12 as well. This one gives you just over $7, $11. This one's $23 to actually complete. So you could do any of these offers. Okay. Now you can also do offer walls as well. Now this shows you on free cash the different popularities in your country. And obviously the UK is very popular with this one here, which is 80 studios, and this Review Plus is also very popular, and Offerturo as well. Not so popular, obviously, AdGate Media and AdGem, etc. But that may be different, obviously, in your country. Okay. Now, again, with some of these, you also get like bonuses. At the moment, this is probably why these ones are all very popular. They're giving away 50% bonus. So in other words, if they were normally giving away 100 coins, they're probably giving away 150 coins for every single offer, etc. But some of the offers do vary quite considerably. Let's just click on this one and just show you some of the offers it could be. And again, it's telling you 1.5 here. And it says that you can obviously earn different offers here. Like this one's giving away 51,000 offers, okay, just to play this game. And it says play Vikings of War Clans and meet the task within 28 days. Okay, so within a month you could get $50 for this. Like this one here, Amazon Photos, install, open and upload one photo, and you will get 1,000 coins just for doing that, just for uploading one photo. So very, very simple. This one here again, play Solitaire Grand Harvest. Doesn't say for how long and what thing you have to get to, but 33,000 coins you can get. So that's $33. So 2 or 3 of these games, guys, will going to get you up to the 100 plus a month, and it's going to be certainly worth doing. Okay, so check out some of the offer walls, definitely. Now, if you're into surveys as well, you can actually do some surveys here. And again, there are different popularities here. The CPX research tends to be the most popular one for the UK audience. As you can see, if we open that up, and it says here you can do a 3-minute survey, you can get 780 coins. And again, under 4 minutes, 550. So like I say, there are various different ads, surveys here. The only problem with surveys, sometimes you don't actually get approved for the surveys. So a lot of people don't like doing surveys too much. And of course, you have to give away some of your information. So there are the main ways that you can actually go and use free cash. There is also a leaderboard, which you can actually earn $500 daily on the leaderboard. Now, you would have to be in the in free cash for a while. So as you can see here, this is James here. He's actually earned 116,000 points today. And he's got 9 hours before it ends, and he's going to get another bonus of 50,000 points just for doing that. And there's also a monthly leaderboard as well, of which you could earn up to $20,000. You've also got rewards here, which says it's fairly new, but I did the rewards a little while ago and showed you a video about that. But again, this is how you can obviously earn more on these rewards. You could come in and do a 7-day streak, so you can come in every day and claim certain points here. So it's another way. When you get to day 7, you can earn between 100 and 50,000 points. You can also double your points in this little thing here. Once you've earned 1,000 points in a day, you could come in here and try and earn up to another 20,000 points just by clicking double or nothing here. So another little game. You can also refer others as well. The referral code for mine, if you do need a referral code, is called smartmoney, and again, I'll leave that under the in the description below here, and also in the pinned comment. And if you want to go and join, then obviously that referral code is going to get you 100 bonus points, 100 bonus coins straight away as soon as you actually sign up. So another way you can get some very quick points is you literally just follow them on Twitter, and you can download the app, which is obviously what I've done, because that's, like I say, this is one of my best apps that I've been using to earn money online. And also on Twitter, if you do follow them on Twitter, you will get bonus codes every so often that they give away, and then you can come in here and click on bonus code, and then just enter the bonus code here, and you will get probably another 100 points very, very quickly indeed. So always great to follow them on the socials so that you've obviously got that as well. Now, that's basically how free cash works. Like I say, very simple, very easy. They do have one of the highest payouts that I've seen on certain apps that I've been testing throughout the year. But like I say, if you know differently and you've got an app that is getting you some really good money every single month, then obviously let us know in the comments below here. Once you have actually got some points, once you have actually got some coins mounted up, I don't leave this normally that long. I normally leave it till 10,000, so $5 to $10, and then I will obviously go and check out. But I've left this for a little while. I haven't been in for a few days, and I've got 61,000 to go and cash out. So all we need to do is come across to cash out here. Now, there's various ways you can obviously cash out if you didn't want PayPal. There is Bitcoin, stake Ethereum, so you can stake it and earn a 25% bonus. Various other cryptos there. You've also got some gift cards here, Amazon, Visa, Netflix, etc. Plus you've obviously got other things here as well that you may want to do, but we're going to do PayPal and show you how easy it is to go and grab PayPal money. Now with PayPal, as you can see, here's a flat fee of 5% after you withdraw. So in other words, every 5,000 they're going to take 250 off of you, so that equates to roughly 25 cents. So instead of $5, you're going to get $4.75. But obviously today we're going to be able to withdraw $50. So we click on 50 here and then click on withdraw. And because it's a high amount, they're going to tell me that I need to withdraw approved by a moderator shortly. Okay, and it says pending withdrawal. This normally only takes a few minutes. So while we're waiting for that to happen, let's go and check out what I promised you earlier is a site that I'm using, that I've using to learn how to create my own business online. So if you're looking to do that, so it teaches you as you actually go. So as you start going through the training, it gives you all the tools and etc. that you're going to use to build your business, plus you can obviously earn commissions on the way. So, and that business is Olsp Academy. Okay, so this actually gives you all the training here, so the academy training here, and as you can see, my commission so far is over $6,600 so far, and I'm due I would think another $300 or $400 coming this month as well, in the next sort of 10 days or so, in the next few days. So like I say, this builds itself literally on autopilot. Once you go through the training and you know what you're doing, it shows you how to drive traffic, etc. And I've obviously got everything within the academy training here. So you literally just work through the different units. There are all videos, so all you have to do is click on the watch, and then we'll fast forward it just a tad. As you can see here, this is Wayne himself. He is the owner of the Olsp Academy. Goes through everything with you. They've always got a massive Facebook page as well, where he will answer questions. He does questions and answer sessions every single week, and you can do this all as a free member. Yes, there are upgrades in there, and there are products and services that they offer, which would obviously which will speed up your process into earning commissions as well. So make sure you check that out as well. Leave a link in the description below here as well for that. So if you are looking to obviously do something a little bit more than just apps, and you want to actually start building an actual business online, then Olsp Academy is a great way to start, because you can actually earn while you actually learn. Right, so let's quickly go back then and see if we've got our withdrawal through. We go on to withdrawals and see if it's there. As it says here, I can claim my cash out. And as you can see here, I've been getting regular payouts here. $5, $10, 15 days ago, 17, 20 days, 21 days, 22 days, 23 days, 23 days, 27 days, 27 days. So like I say, most days I'm coming in and claiming money with this free cash app. So it's very, very easy to obviously get to the threshold of 5,000 points, and you can do this pretty well very quickly. So all you do from here then is literally click on the claim cash out, and then it will say here, so I'm going to get $47.50, because like I said, they're going to take out the 5%, and you just click on redeem. Now obviously I've got to sign into my PayPal account, and there we go. It's being sent to my PayPal account. Okay, and it says we initiate your PayPal transfer on the 19th of August, which is today. So it is near enough instantaneously into my account. And as you can see here, I've now got a balance of 11,600. So, and that normally takes just a few minutes to actually come through. I'll just check my emails while we're here, because sometimes it comes through on my emails. In fact, I've literally just had it now. There we go. And it says here, I've had it sent to my PayPal account, $47. That's done, and it's literally taken just a few minutes to actually hit my PayPal account. How cool is that? And like I say, Free Cash is one of the best apps that I found for earning money in 2022. Of course, unless you know differently. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, then obviously smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. This is more about the opportunity that I shared right at the end, the Olsp opportunity. So go and check out Olsp Academy. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.